Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I did this beautiful hairstyle today, please stay tuned and keep watching. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias and also click on that subscribe button as well as that notification button so you get a notification every time I do upload a video. So we're just gonna get right into it. I'm just gonna comb up my hair. I'm just gonna part down the center of my hair, and then I'm gonna cut out 2 triangles at the front. I'm gonna make sure that they are the same size, and then I'm gonna brush the rest backwards. I'm gonna put that into a ponytail, and then I'm gonna gel my edges. Next, I'm gonna use this mirrors with 100% pure Australian beeswax hair gel. I'm just gonna use that to slay my edges. And then I'm just gonna use this brush to just brush everything down because, yeah, I don't have strength to use a toothbrush hairbrush. So I'm just gonna slay my edges and give me some, sleek baby hairs. So now I'm using the Organics olive oil edge control just to give that an extra hold on there. Next I'm gonna just put hairspray and then lay it down for a few minutes while I do my makeup. Once that's done, I'm just going to take it's a bit hot, just slightly hot, and I'm just going to use that at the front just to give me some curls. And next I'm going to go in with this turban that I got from the local market. But first I'm going to put the ponytail bun just to make it a bit big because I like mine really big. If you don't like yours big and thick, you don't have to use this. So we're gonna go in with the turban. Now this is already easily done, so all you do is just wear the cap, and then it has like 2 handles where you just roll that around your ponytail. So I'm just going to wrap the 2 strands separately, one after the other, and make sure that the hairs that you bring out doesn't get trapped in there, because sometimes you have to redo it, but so that doesn't happen. And sometimes as you're wrapping around, it kind of shifts upward, so you have to keep pulling it down until it's fixed and everything. So once that is done, that's it. Easy and beautiful. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.